Okay.
When I was a kid, this was one of the first bikes I raced. It was almost identical to this guy.
I don't even recognize the name on some of these.
It's an old Honda.
Yeah, this next one over.
This is a bike that was made up for racing, so is this guy. The guy who built the frame for that bike was a friend.
Honda 63. A good year for a Honda. Wow. The Cushman Eagle, it says.
His name is Gary Davis?
Gary Davis.
Yeah, Gary Davis. This is like what we flat tracked, is bikes like this guy right here.
And he did the stunt riding for the, what is that one that's right in front of you, right next to you? Is that Norton or Triumph?
This guy, this is a Triumph.
Triumph, yeah. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I thought you'd get a kick out of this.
Gnarly. Norton Harley.
What's really cool, if you look in the back, he's got his
That's 1,000? Wow. Wow. And is this a hobby? He keeps working on the engines?
Well, yeah, now he's sort of...
I mean, is he doing restoration as well?
Yeah, he does restoration as well, and he's making some money from that, the Hollywood business. But he's, you know, he says the Hollywood business has slowed down.
Uh-huh.
And then every time I talk to him, he's, you know...
Busy.
He'll call and he'll say, I'm in Kentucky working on a movie, and we've got this thing, you should come over. Usually...
Well, yeah, if he runs into financial straits, he sells one or two.
Yeah, we raced bikes identical to this when we were kids. These guys are...
Corbin Racing, another Honda.
These things looks like a set.
You know there's more in the back, too.
No, I did not know. Oh, the Captain America. Oh, my God. Oops, I'm sorry.
Remember the Bee Gees?
Yes. A 1958 BMW Isetta. How cute is that? And the trailer. Oh, that's a Royal Enfield. Ooh. Hey, he's got a Royal Enfield with the sidecar. Oh my God. That's one of 7 left.
Every time we stop it, it starts a new movie.
Okay, now I haven't stopped it yet, so I'm going to probably burn off your battery here in a minute. Man, it goes on and on. Wowee. The Honda, the flat track, or the racer. These he hasn't worked on yet. That's what we do. We just move down here and work on his motorcycles for the rest of our life. Oh,
Amazing, isn't it?
it just goes on and on.
Gary told me that he wants to sell all of this and scale way down. So
Yeah.
he can retire. He said, I want to retire, you know, I want to,
But what's he? This is just his. This isn't a business. This is just his.
it's a hobby.
It's a hobby. This is his collection.
He makes his money with the stunt coordinator.
Yeah.
He sold a few bikes.
And this is where he put his money that he's made.
This is where he put his money, right here. He wanted to get out of Southern California and come here. Yeah.
Well, he did.
He was originally from this area, so it's,
All right.
Oh, here is a world record cycle distance head on. Gary Davis versus Rex Blackwell. Gary Davis won.
Here's a whole sheet of $2 bills. Why the hell do you have a sheet of $2 bills?
You have one, I think.
Okay.